Valentine's Day, huh? A day where you celebrate love? Humans really are stupid for making such a pointless holiday.
I made a gift for you.
Huh?
There's homemade chocolates in there. You love sweets, so I'm sure you'll like them.
Oh, thank you. Maybe Valentine's Day isn't so bad after all.
Angel, hurry up. We're on patrol.
Is a heart-shaped box a little too much? But the lady at the store recommended it. Aki, thanks for the chocolates yesterday. They were yummy. I got you this as thanks.
Oh, thank you. But you usually give back chocolates on White Day. In March.
You humans and your stupid traditions!
Angel!